Hello and Assalamualaikum. I would like to present our project, which is Malaysian Sign Language Detection using SSD Real-Time Object Detection. First, I would like to introduce our team members, which are Syahira Muhammad Hatim, Nur Farah Idayum Muhammad Fauzi, Zalika Zulkifli, Lili Marlia Abdul Latif, Samsiah Ahmad, Ini Imaina Abdullah, Samsiah Abdul Razak, and Mahani Ahmad Kardi. Problem statement. Communication is necessary for our daily life. It is interaction between two parties known as the sender and the receiver. The majority of people can interact without any problems and effectively. However, those who have disabilities, they are unable to hear or talk, making the world a difficult environment for them to survive. Human disability is a sensitive issue. It restricts the person to a particular degree of performance. Sign language is a common communication tool that is used by people who have hearing impairment to perform daily interaction. There are several sign languages around the world, just as there are various spoken languages. Malaysian sign language is one of them. However, sign language is not compulsory for us to learn. Yet, some people did not even recognize sign language. This made it difficult for individuals with disabilities to communicate with others. Thus, this application is developed to overcome this issue. Next is objective of this project. This project is to assist people with hearing and talking disabilities in communicating with others using sign language application. Project significance. The era of Industry Revolution 4.0 has changed the world in unimaginable ways. Communication technology has a huge impact on humans. No one should be constrained by their limitation in the technological age. Despite human nature, the application of technology should result in a platform or a society where everyone is treated equally. Contrarily, technology represents the most inventive thing there is seen every time the clock strikes. Researchers, software engineers, programmers, and information technology professionals come up with a new brilliant ideas to make life easier for everyone. This application demonstrates where artificial intelligence (AI) is used to assist individuals who are not able to carry out daily tasks like most of the people. In keeping within communication, this program made it possible for those who are unable to talk or hear to be completely understood, allowing them to acquire the language more quickly and easily for both themselves and those who will communicate and interact with them. With the help of this method, everyone can recognize the intricate sign language that are presented. The application is presented in what it can accomplish and help those who struggle with communication because of the impairment in communication. Methodology. In this project, a real-time sign detection model was built with the help of labeled IMG software and TensorFlow. The system architecture is divided into two models, which is training and detection model, in which the training model consists of label and trained dataset. Then the detection model will be used when testing the data. The data is obtained for Kaggle and an XML file is produced for each image once it has been labeled and saved as training and testing data. During the development phase for training and testing data, this XML file includes information on where the model should look in the image. The system will begin to operate by accepting real-time input of a sign language images. Then, the training period starts with the system extracting features from the required image using the SSD algorithm. Finally, after the model has been trained, the sign language detection stage may follow. The performance of the model is determined by testing it against the project or problems requirement. In this application, the deep learning SSD machine learning algorithm will be used to train the machine learning model, and the TensorFlow-like model maker is used to test it. The TensorFlow Lite model maker library simplified the process of training a TensorFlow Lite model using custom dataset. It used transfer learning to reduce the amount of training data required and shorten the training time. Last but not least, project demo. This is how the system works. First, the sign language will be scanned using the camera. The application will show what the gesture represents with its accuracy. So, based on this demo video, the application successfully recognized all the sign language that being presented. Lastly, as a conclusion, the application is developed to translate sign language into a form that users can easily understand. Nevertheless, it will benefit people who have hearing impairment and also people who do not have background on sign language to easily communicate with each other. In terms of detection accuracy, the application achieved a maximum performance in detecting sign language at a percentage of 75.2%. Besides, due to the capability of identifying gesture, there is a lot of potential for this application where we can label the gesture in whatever language needed, thus enabling the user to communicate with others regardless of language barriers. That's all. Thank you.